stay the night. I just wanna take the time.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Roxy, for those of you who are new. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I slay this 5x5 lace closure wig. So if you guys wanna see how I get things done, then keep on watching. This wig was sent to me by MCHAIR, and inside the packaging, they sent me the wig, of course, as well as a wig cap and a cute little clip that you can use to accessorize your wig. So I did customize the wig, although if you're a beginner and you're not comfortable with, you know, bleaching knots, then I believe you can get away with not doing so, with just adding some foundation to the lace. However, I did go ahead and bleach the knots. So as you guys can see, this is a 5x5 closure. And the one thing I love about 5x5 closures is that there's such a small surface area to be bleached. So it just makes the process a lot simpler and a lot quicker. So after bleaching the knots, I went ahead and I tweezed the hairline. So I just tweezed the hairline just so that I can get like a nice, natural, flat looking hairline. Just as I mentioned before, if you're a beginner, you can definitely get away with not even plucking it. As long as you have like a good hot comb, you can definitely flatten out the top of the wig. So after plucking, the hair was still wet and I wanted to install it right away. So I blow dried the hair. I blow dried the hair about 95%, I would say. And after blow drying it, I realized the hair was really full. So I definitely needed to flat iron it. But before I flat ironed it, I went ahead and I trimmed the ends. And I find that when you trim the ends, it just leaves for a better fall. So after trimming the ends, I'm just flat ironing it using my Duval 1-inch flat iron. And this flat iron goes up to 450 degrees. So it's really hot, really hot. However, I did use a heat protector on the wig. I used the argan oil treatment. I used the one and only argan oil treatment to as a heat protector and also as a frizz minimizer, so an anti-frizz serum. Yes. So the hair flat ironed very well, although it looks like very frizzy after blow drying it. Once the flat iron is run through it, it comes right back into place, and the hair is just so nice and silky and flowy. So now I'm done customizing my wig and it's time to put this baby on. All right, so now we're gonna install the wig. I'm gonna put on the wig cap that they provided for me in the packaging. And I'm also going to apply some foundation to the wig cap just so that it blends in with my skin, and that's the color that you see through the lace. The wax stick that I'm using is from MC7 collection, and I'm just going to use this to just run through the top of my wig, and this is going to help with the hot combing process. It's going to allow the wig to lie a lot flatter. I haven't taken out my hot comb in a long time, but I just found that it's so necessary for the front of this wig here. I don't want it to hide too much of the lace closure, so I want to kind of bring it coming back a little bit, just to expose some more of the hairline and to help it look more flat. So to install my wig, I'm going to be using the ORS Olive Oil Fix It Grip Gel and their Liquid Fix Spritz Gel as well. And this is a new product now. It's especially made for wigs. So I'm going to try them out today. So I'm just going to use a wrap strip to tie it down. I'm going to tie it down until I feel that it's dry. The Got to Be Free spray definitely helps to melt the lace. I'm just taking some foundation to further blend my lace. And in case you guys are wondering, the foundation that I'm using to blend my lace is the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha. And I'm also just putting some makeup back on my forehead because I did rub it off. I did rub some off when I was trying to remove the excess glue and holding spray. I definitely contemplated whether or not to do baby hairs. I did like it before the baby hairs, but I'm still gonna add a couple in just to, you know, finish off the look and kind of help blend in the hairline as well. Plus, I also find that adding baby hairs to the 5x5 closure, it gives it that frontal look, although you're not absolutely doing a frontal, and that's what I like about it. So that is it. This is the finished look. I think this looks beautiful. I think it looks really natural, especially with the minimal baby hairs. And honestly, guys, I did good. I did good with the customization. Yes, so give me a thumbs up if you guys love this customization that I did, if you guys love how natural it looks. I'm really impressed. You know, we're getting better every day. I'm gonna leave all the details for the wig below. Thank you, MCHAIR, for sponsoring this video. And as usual, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.